when you're pulling a bike apart and you don't want to lose anything, take these bolts, that subframe bolts, wherever. When you pull these bolts, put them, if you can, that is, go ahead and put them back in to where they go, and that'll keep you from losing them. Either that or use a magnetic tray. Clutch cable obviously connects up here to your clutch perch, and you got your clutch lever, and then it comes down here, is held in by this little bracket, and then it goes directly down into, sorry, shaky camera, into the ignition case. So this is, I think they only did this on a few years of these YZs. This is a 2006 YZ250 two-stroke aluminum frame. So the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of loosen this cable up here along its path. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to undo the clutch assembly on the perch. There's that. Saber barrel adjuster. Unfeed. And I'm going to get rid of this zip tie. And we're down to that. Okay guys, next step here is going to go. You just use it. There we go. And normally you would want to replace this seal here. However, I don't have another one. It looks pretty good to me, so I'm not going to do it. So next thing is there is a little. So next part is this little retainer here. I'm just going to have to bend that back, and then I'll put in my new end of the clutch cable. So let's see if I can set you guys up. I'm just going to take some needle nose here, grab that, bend that back, boom, that is now free. We're just gonna pull this guy here, and boom, we're out. clean this up. I'm just going to kind of cover this because I don't want to blow dirt in there. Catch it on that side. There we go. I'm just going to clean up this ignition cover real quick, and we'll install that again. Like I said, this really should have a new gasket. Just going to have to keep an eye on it. Just gonna slide that sucker in there like so, and the clamp up. Okay, and then just make sure to that sucker in there good, and grab my needle nose pliers here. There we go. Okay, put our cover back on. I always do a cross pattern so you get your covers to seat properly. Okay, so get our clutch cable in the housing. There we go. I don't really do a whole lot of install or review videos, so I just didn't see another one out there. So, and no, it's not the best one. Well, if it's the only one out there, there probably is the best one. But, yeah, unless you own a 2006 YZ250, probably pretty much useless. But if you do, then this video might come in handy. Because initially it looks like it's going to be a pain in the ass, but it's actually a pretty easy job. Okay guys, that's it. Ness out.